All right, I wanted to make a quick video to demonstrate how to wire a 3-wire GM alternator. I also have something else going off of it, but regardless, obviously you've got your field and signal wire, you've got your power wire in, you've got your number 2 position onto the charging terminal or charging block, then you have your main power feed wire, and you know they follow up and go all the way up. This is your signal or field wire, and I'm showing you, I just figured this out, what happens when I run this without any kind of diode or anything of the sort or light bulb in line, that the key no longer shuts the engine off. So, you know, turn it on, it starts, but it's still running. So, the way that's wired is obviously not right. You kind of want your key to actually work. So by taking this off and going to a light bulb or something of the sort, which is up here, it'll be in my windshield. By doing this, just running a simple 194 light bulb in series with your signal wire, which is usually white, sometimes it's brown depending on the year of your car, and if you have a factory wiring harness. So notice I didn't change anything in the cab, no wiring has changed. Just that one wire, I put a light bulb in it. Now, see, it's like an idiot light. That comes on. And there we go. And that is how to wire an idiot light into a 3-wire alternator to prevent it from run-on or backfeeding. So now, when I have the key running, it now shuts the engine off. There you go.